So the search page actually allows you to search, for different hosts, strings, any keywords within the vulnerability data. The interesting thing here into this search is that it actually goes deep down into the vulnerabilities and not only search for the title but inside the vulnerability reports itself. So for example, sometimes if you have an API endpoint that you want to see if it's mentioned in any of the vulnerability reports, you can go ahead and search the API endpoint as well. So once you start searching the API endpoints, let's say it shows there are no vulnerabilities. Let's search something, let's say an A. This will actually show you all the vulnerability reports where this particular kind of keyword is actually present inside those vulnerability reports. So for example, if you are going to search for a CVE number, it's going to give us all the vulnerabilities why that CVE number is mentioned. So the interesting thing about this search functionality is that sometimes defensive teams can use such features as well. For example, if they found an incident happening or an attack happening on a particular vulnerable endpoint, and they want to kind of understand if we have any open vulnerabilities on that particular endpoint, all they have to do is actually come here, search for that endpoint, and if that endpoint is mentioned in any of the vulnerability reports, either through pen testing or through callers or through any other scanners within your organization, you will be able to see that here.